welcome to this little stream regarding the Danish cv9035 Mark III, which is the generation 90 variant. Main armament, obviously, 35mm Bushmaster, which can be upgraded to a 50mm round needed. So, this is a little video regarding how we use the fire control system on it, along with that, using the different battle sites. So, let's start going in here, business end of the vehicle. Start looking over here to the left, open this little lever, which will open our one-to-one battle site. See here? Very up close sight. Goose. Drive around in forested areas around us. Close contact. Then we have our standard A site. All to engage enemies on. And the best one, obviously, is our thermal site. Day-to-day site. Our day site doesn't have as much data information as our thermal site does. Works very well still. But let's keep on our thermal. Looking here. At the moment, we're on our left magazine, our APFS round. At the moment, it's mode movement or moving, which means when we are following a tank, put it on that. Means we are more accurate, along with the chamber round. In air mode, in helicopters, obviously, normally we do that with the round, or our fixed mode, engage vehicles. Right magazine, we have our head round marked. Right magazine. There. The moment when it says wide, we've got 5 burst rounds, which is important that it shoots all those 5 off. Otherwise it's going to fumble around in its fire control system. We have our point, which we can use against enemy tanks, armored infantry, or light armored vehicles to blind them. The tanks is, if we do engage tanks, it would be obvious. Had nothing else we could do. Blind them, damage the barrel. But yeah, part of it. And firing mode, have that to engage entrenched units. Shoot rounds off in front of them, 2 rounds in front, 2 in back, and pinned down. And of course, we have our coax. But let's get down to business here. Start off with point round, point mode. Said before, this is the last resort bit we're going to use. But at the moment, we have this tank out here. What we're going to do is we're going to try to blind it with 2 rounds. It's important that we shoot off, otherwise, again, the fire control system will tend to fumble around. So, here we go. See, wrong there, my bad. Forgot the lace. And that is always lazy. Now, here we go. Gotta make sure you have the laser range finding, or the lasing distance right. We engage the target. About 50 meters in front, the cone will explode, or the grenades and shells will explode on the target itself. Let's just aim and observe. Tank. The moment on the left, on the chest, do is done damage to the module and main gun system. Bang into the car again. Now, we have helicopter here. That we can use with the point round again. Try one more time. Place. Beam. Firing. And it should open up in front of the target. One more time. Firing. And the helicopter. Moment I've just done so the ammunition count up. Right, here you can see we have a line of infantry lying on the ground. What we're going to do is we're going to lace the center mass of the target to make sure we get the best effect of our kit round out in the open of the infantry. Bayside. So, firing. Make sure again that you keep all 5 rounds going. There it was. That didn't open up at the right area, so try one more time. Closer range. Firing. Looked like it opened up at the behind of the infantry, so we'll try one more time. Lasing a bit in front of the target then, this time. Try one more time. Target. If not, you have like an infantry moving along in staggered column. You could use the point mode as well on that by on the ground. Shoot on him with 2 rounds. That would have taken him out along with the whole team following behind him. Very, very effective. So let's switch to the one with one. The efficiency of the 90 view I can use all sorts of different targets. Let's get them up in position. Go. For example, we have BTR here. He's in fixed position, so what we're going to do is we're going to lace out to him. Make sure we lace out to him. Get the right distance. Chamber. Fire. The reason why we chamber is to get the proper accuracy out. Since it's so far out, we get the most precise accuracy out of it. That makes sense. And the same if we go to our right magazine. If we go to our right magazine here, we have a couple of, on that at the moment, we got HE rounds marked on that. So, we see these infantry lying on the ground here. Chamber the round. Range. Firing. And that will disable them. And looks like we got some in this, near this building as well. Lasing, chambering. And engaged. And of course they can be done against vehicles as well. So that was a little, here we go. There you can see, switch back to the other vehicle again. Looks like we found them, rather. or whatnot. Yeah, there they are. Our little group placed out in the open in a staggered column. Relays, fire 2 rounds, and it shows the deadly effect of the cat round. Anyways, I'll probably come in with some more stuff later, but this was just a short little video. Have fun, everybody, and hope it was helpful.